Hello and once again I welcome all of you on my channel, and today we will cover a very important segment of IELTS reading test, that is list of headings. So let us be with pen and paper and we will see how we can crack the list of heading questions. It's a very simple strategy and approach that we will apply and hope you will find it easy. So let us prepare a grid first. Let's say we have 14 to 20 questions, A to G paragraphs, and there are 10 list of headings given to you. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll prepare a grid. Okay, in a vertical column we'll write the paragraphs A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, and in a row you'll write down the list of headings, Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. Okay, so let's prepare this first, a grid formation as you see on the screen. Okay, so first paragraph says, traveling around Thailand in 1990s, William Jensen was impressed with the basic rooftop solar heating systems that were on many homes, where energy from the sun was absorbed by a plate and then used to heat water for domestic use. Okay, so what the paragraph is saying, that William Jensen went to Thailand in 1990 and he saw something. What he saw, that every rooftop, in Thailand homes, he saw a solar heating panels. And then, once he came back after 2 decades, means after 20 years, Jensen developed that basic idea he saw in Southeast Asia into a portable device that uses the power from the sun to purify water. So after 20 years, what he did, he discovered a new device, and the idea when he got 20 years back when he visited Thailand. Okay, so that's the basic idea of the paragraph A saying. Now let us see the list of headings and we will use a grid formation. Okay, what it says, getting the finance for production. First heading says, I don't think that this is talking about production, or I don't think this is talking about finance for production even also. So let us cross the first one. Okay, then let us see the second one, an unexpected benefit. Again, this is not talking about benefit. Let's cross this also. From initial inspiration to new product. This is very close. He got an idea 20 years back, and after 20 years he developed that idea into a device. Okay, so I think this is more close. Let's keep this option open. Let's tick mark this. Okay, fourth says the range of potential customers for the device. It is not talking about the potential customers, so let us eliminate this also. Fifth says what makes the device different from the alternatives. It is also not talking about the device, or it is not talking about the alternatives also, so let us cross this also. Sixth says cleaning water from a range of sources. No, this is not talking about cleaning water. Okay, and about the sources, no, we cannot see that, so let's cross this also. Overcoming production difficulties. There is nothing like production they are talking about over here, so let's cross this. Profit not the primary goal. There's nothing about profit, so let's cross this. A warm welcome for device. Some says yes, there is a device, so it has come up in 1990 or after 1990, so let us keep this option open. Okay, and then the last one is the number of people affected by water shortage. Nothing about water shortage they are talking, so let's eliminate option number 10 also. So by applying this elimination method, we call it as POE, process of elimination method, we have now heading number 3 and heading number let's say 9. Yes, these 2 headings are open and rest we have closed. So now your answer is going to be out of these 2 headings only and not the rest of the one. Okay, so what we have done is we have minimized the idea of getting wrong answer, and now we have only 2 options left. Out of these 2 options is going to be my answer, and if you are confused you can read again and see okay which one is the close out of 3 or 9. But for me here, I think it is talking about the initial inspiration to a new product. Yes, he got the inspiration back when he visited Thailand, and then after that, after 20 years, he created a new device and created a new product. So third is more close than 9. Okay, let us move to paragraph number B. Here it says the desalinator operates as a mobile desalination unit that can take water from different places such as sea, rivers, boreholes and rain and purify it for human consumption. So the first sentence is saying that this device is taking water from different places. Let us see the headings. And if you see, the first heading says getting the finance for production. Again, no, by the first sentence it says that the water has been taken from different sources or different places, and the places are sea, river, borehole, rain and etc. This has been given to you, right? So first is not the appropriate heading, so we will eliminate this. Second says an unexpected benefit. Again, it is not talking about benefit. Let's cross this. Third is done, so we will not apply this, we will not consider this heading. So you can cross all the grades of section number 3 or heading number 3 from all. Okay, then the fourth says the range of potential customers for the device. It is not talking about the potential customers, right? It is talking about the places from where the water can come, right? Let's eliminate the fifth one also. Sixth is cleaning water from range of sources. Yes, we have sources over here, and the sources given to you in the first sentence itself says different places, and the sources, the places are sea, river, borehole and rain and etc. So we can consider this. Okay. 7 says overcoming production difficulties. There is nothing like overcoming the production or difficulties mentioned over here, so let's cross this. Profit not the primary goal. No. A warm welcome for the device. I think no. And then the number of people affected by water shortage. Again, it is not talking about the water shortage and the people affected by it. So the best heading that has come after the elimination is option number 6. So that can be my right heading. Okay. So for B, I think 6 is the right answer. Okay, let us try paragraph number C. Let us read paragraph C. First 2 sentences. The desalinator can produce 15 liters of drinking water per day, enough to sustain a family for cooking and drinking. Its main selling point is that unlike standard desalination techniques, it doesn't require a generated power supply, just sunlight. So the second sentence is saying that its main selling point, why it is sold, what is the main attraction of this device, is that it doesn't require a generated power supply. There's something unique about this device, and what it is, that it doesn't require a power supply, only sunlight is enough to function. So let us see the headings. The first heading says getting the finance for production. Again, it is not talking about the finance and the production, so let's eliminate 1. An unexpected benefit. Again, there is no benefit, so let's eliminate 2. Third is done, so already eliminated. Fourth, the range of potential customers for device. Again, it is not talking about the customers and the device, so fourth is not the appropriate heading. Fifth, what makes the device different from alternative. Yes, it is talking about the uniqueness, and fifth is also saying that device is different. So let's open this option. We will keep it open. Fifth one. Okay. Sixth already done, so let's eliminate that. Seventh, overcoming production difficulties. Again, guys, no. Profit not the primary goal, nothing about profit. A warm welcome for the device. There's nothing like welcoming device. Let's eliminate that also. Number of people affected by water shortage. Again, it is not talking about shortage. So by elimination method, what we can see is fifth is the most appropriate heading out of the rest. So let's go by fifth for paragraph C. Let's move to paragraph D. It says, a recent analysis found that at least 2/3 of the world's population lives with severe water scarcity for at least a month every year. So what it is talking about in the first statement sentence, that world's population, around 2/3 of world's population is living in water scarcity. right? So there is a scarcity of water, and by paraphrasing we can see that there is, water is less, or the shortage of water is there. Fine, let us see the headings. The first heading says getting the finance for production. Again, eliminate that, not going. An unexpected benefit, again no, a big no. The range of potential customers for device, why I'm not considering 3, because it's already done. So fourth, again talking about potential customers, eliminate that. Fifth and sixth already done, so we will not consider that. Let's move to seventh, overcoming production difficulties, again talking about the shortage of water, not production, eliminate this also. Profit not the primary goal, there's nothing about profit mentioned over here, so let's eliminate this. A warm welcome for the device, no. Okay, so let's cross this also. 10 says the number of people affected by water shortages. Yes, there is a water shortage over here, and they are talking about the number of also people, that is 2/3 of the world population. So I think this is the most appropriate answer for paragraph D. So let's go by 10. Let's read paragraph E now. It says the device is aimed at a wide variety of users, from homeowners in the developing world who do not have a constant supply of water to people living off the grid in rural parts of the US. Okay, so basically what the statement sentence of paragraph E is saying, that the device, the aim, the why it is been developed, that it is talking, and the nature of this device is aimed to wide variety of users, so that it can reach to the wide variety of people. Okay, let us see the headings now. Getting the finance for production, no money involved over here, so let's cross this. An unexpected benefit, again it is talking about reaching to the wide variety of users, so there's nothing benefit or money involved, so 1 and 2 is gone, 3 is already done. Okay, fourth, the range of potential customers for device. Yes, the range of customers and wide variety of users. You see, paraphrasing, it is almost similar. So let's keep option number 4 open. 5 and 6 already done, so we will not consider this. 7 saying overcoming production difficulties, nothing like production over here, let's cross this. Profit not the primary goal, nothing about profit. Warm welcome to the device, no. And 10th is already done. So by applying the elimination method, we can see 4th is the right heading for paragraph E. Okay, let's move to paragraph F. It says prices will vary according to where it is bought. In the developing world, the price will depend on what deal aid organization can negotiate. So after reading first and second sentence, we can see it is talking about money. So keep all your options with the money open. Okay, right? The options which are talking about money, let's keep it open. Okay, let's move and read further. In developed countries, it is likely to come in at $1,000 a unit, said Jensen. We are a venture with a social mission, right? So first it is talking about money, and then he's saying that the paragraph is saying that it is also about the social mission, means doing charity. Let's consider our headings now. Getting the finance for production. Okay, let's keep it open, the first one, because it is talking about money, so let's keep it open. An unexpected benefit, not talking about benefit exactly, so let's eliminate that. Third, fourth, fifth and sixth is already done, so let's eliminate them also, we will not consider them. Seventh is saying overcoming production difficulties, nothing about production they are saying, it's talking about money. Okay, yes, 8th is saying profit not the primary goal. There is profit. Yes, they are talking about money, that it is likely to come around $1,000 a unit, saying, but then again it's saying not for social mission. So profit not the primary goal. I think this is more appropriate. Let's keep it open. And 9th is saying a warm welcome, nothing about welcoming the device. Let's cross this, and 10th is already gone. So by elimination method, now we have 1 and 8, heading number 1 and heading number 8 is open for us. And if there is any confusion, let us not mark the answer, because if one goes wrong, you will give 2 answers incorrect. So it is very close, first and 8. Let's keep it open and move to paragraph number G, the last paragraph. Who knows, we can get our answer here also. It says the company itself is based at Imperial College London. Although Jensen, its chief executive, still lives in UAE. It has raised £340,000 in funding so far. Within 2 years, he says the company aims to be selling 1,000 units a month, mainly in humanitarian field. They are expected to be sold in areas such as Australia, northern Chile, Peru, Texas and California. Okay, so again talking about money, and it is talking about that they have raised this much of fund, okay, and saying that they have to go more. So first heading says getting the finance for production. Yes, this is close. They are arranging some funds over here. You can say it has raised, you see that, raise in funding. So 1 is more close, and unexpected benefit, no, not talking about benefit. Let's close this also. Then 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th and 10 is already gone, so we will not consider them. The 7th is saying overcoming production difficulties, nothing about production, so let's eliminate 7 also. 9th is saying a warm welcome to device, nothing about warm welcoming, so let's cross this. So again there's a confusion between 1 and 8. And if we see in F, it is saying about the social mission, so it is talking about the charity, it is talking about that profit is not the primary goal. So most appropriate answer for F will be 8 and G will be 1. So all confusion sorted out. If there is any confusion, guys, do not mark your answer. Okay, read the next heading or the next paragraph, and then you can see, which one fits in best. So by elimination method, let us go for F 8 and for G 1. So thank you friends for watching this video, and I hope you have learned a lot. Please apply this and do let me know that how you are preparing and how things are going on. Have a great time.